Alright, sometimes we can also find the links that are connected to the other sections of the same page. Generally, we can find such hyperlinks on the single page websites. When we click any link in the main navigation, it scrolls to the other section of the page. For example, this is a single page website, and on this website these are the different navigational links. So if I click any link here, it will directly scroll us to that particular of the page. So let's click the second link here. We can see it is scrolling to that particular of the page. Let's check out one more here. Again we can see it is scrolling to other part of the page. Similarly, once again, let's contact. Alright, as we can see here that whenever we click such type of link, it is directly scrolling. So to create such type of hyperlink, we use anchor tag only. So let's have one anchor tag here. Right now I'm keeping this link empty. Then we will connect to other section. For example, let's write it here bottom. Let's have a section paragraph lorem ipsum. Now we will connect this link to this section. So to connect a link to the section, let's provide one id attribute and we'll provide one value, maybe bottom. So whatever the value we'll be providing for the id attribute for the section, the same id attribute value will go to the href value. And do not forget, at first you have to define pound sign, then the id attribute value. So now this link as well as this section is connected. When we will be clicking this link, it will directly scroll to this section. So let's go to our page here and give it a refresh. As we can see, we have one section and another link, that is bottom. Now if I click here, it will take us to this section. Right now we do not see any changes because we don't have enough content on our page. Let's have enough content so that the page should scroll. So here let's take another section which is not connected any link, and inside this section let's take different paragraph so that we should have enough content on our page. Alright, save our file. Let's go to our page here, give it a refresh. Now we have enough content on our page. Now if I click this bottom link here, it should scroll to that section. Click, it scrolled to this section, but we didn't see much different. So for that purpose, let's have a heading here for this, maybe h2, say bottom. Now save our file, give it a refresh. Great. So now once again let's check out. Let's click this bottom. See, we can see this bottom is displaying here. As soon as we click this link, it will directly take us to that particular section. This is how such type of links works. Another best example for that type of link is, most of the time we may find a back to top button, and when we click, it directly takes us to the top of the page. So let's have a link at the bottom of our page, and if we click that link, it will directly take us to the top of the page. So let's have a link at the bottom of our page that will be connected to the top of the page. So here right now I'm writing top, and the value for the href attribute will be the value for the id attribute which we'll be keeping at the top of our page, say body tag. So let's define an id attribute here, give it top. So we will be providing this value at this link with pound sign. Great. Now save our file, go to our page, give it a refresh. Great, we have one top link here at the bottom. So if I click, this will take us to the top of our page. Great, we are here at the top of our page. Now if I click bottom, it will take us to the bottom section. Now if I click top here, it will take us to the top of our page.